Hello investors, World of Investing here. Today I'm going to be showing you how to get started in the stock market. The first thing you're going to have to do is open an account with a broker. That could be TD Ameritrade, Fidelity, E-Trade, M1 Finance, whatever one you choose. In this video, I'm going to be using TD Ameritrade. So I'd look up TD Ameritrade, look at the results, say open new account if you want to do it this way, where you could just go to their website, and you're going to see there's different account types. There's individual, joint, traditional, and Roth. For the sake of this video, I'll be using a Roth because that's a retirement account, but I do have an individual and Roth, and you can choose either one if you wish. So in an individual account, you can put up to as much money as you want, but it is not tax advantage. You're responsible to report the earnings for each tax year. With a Roth IRA, this is a tax advantage account. You can contribute up to only $6,000 in total. So say if you have multiple IRAs, you can't put $6,000 in each IRA, you can only do $6,000 a year total. But if you're 50 or older, you can do up to $7,000. There is limits on this. So if you file jointly, you can only, and you make over $204,000, you are not going to be able to use a Roth IRA. But anything below that, say if you're single, $129,000 and below, you can contribute to a Roth IRA. If you withdraw earnings before 59.5, those will be taxed. But say you're 59.5, you've had your account open for at least 5 years, you can withdraw your earnings tax and penalty free. So say you opened your account at 57, let's say, and you turn 59.5, you cannot withdraw because your account has not been opened at least 5 years. You can withdraw your contributions tax and penalty free anytime. So say you put in $3,000 and you want to take that $3,000 out, you aren't going to be taxed, you're not going to be penalized, so you don't have to worry about those things. So once you've decided which account you want to make, you can click on Open Roth IRA Account, and it's going to come up with all the things you need to fill out. Before you get started, make sure you have Social Security number available, foreign tax ID, passport, visa number if you're not a citizen of the United States, and you're going to need your employer's name, address, and phone number. Once you got everything you need, start filling out the information. I'm not going to do that because I already have an account made, but then you'll just go down the line: personal information, financial information, review what you've put, agreements, accept their agreements, terms and conditions, and then you'll make your login. Okay, so once you've created your account, you're going to get logged in and everything. Now you're going to need to deposit money. So you'll go up on TD Ameritrade, you'll go up to My Account, you'll go down to Deposits and Transfers, and since this is a Roth IRA, it's going to be under Contributions. So you'd click on Contributions, and it'll bring you to this screen. You can transfer money from your bank, wire it, put your check, whatever one. But for this example, I'm going to be doing transfer from your bank. So I'll click on Transfer, and you see I already have a connection made, but you're going to have to create a new connection if this is a new account. So you'd click on that and you'd fill out everything in there. I'm not going to do it for the sake of this video because it will show you my information. So you'd put in a new thing, make your connection, then you'll come down to the amount you want to put that in, put the frequency you want it to happen, right? You can do it one time, weekly, monthly, however you want to do. I usually just do one time, and then you'd put your transaction date, the day you want it to be deposited, and then you would click on contribution, right? Then you'd click continue and it'd be available to you, right? So after you've deposited money, you can go find a stock or ETF or whatever you want to find. So let's say for this, we'll do the S&P 500. We'll put in the VU, which is the S&P 500 from Vanguard. You can see where it's trading at: 1 year, 6 months, 3 months, whatever you want to do. You can see the Morningstar style box, and say you're like, okay, I want to buy this. So you'd go click on buy, and on Ameritrade, it would pull up this tab, right? You say action, buy, quantity, let's say 1. You can do a limit or a market. I usually do market because there's no point of trying to scalp a certain price for me because I'm not a trader. So I'd click on market, everything there. I'd review my order, make sure I want to buy 1 share of VU, right? This is the price I'm paying or estimated price. I'm like, okay, this is perfect. So I'd click on place order, and then your order will be sent in and it will be placed, and then you'll have that in your portfolio. Click on My Account Overview, Positions. So I click on Positions, and this is my Roth IRA, so I only got indexes in here. You can see your positions right here. So I hope this video was helpful on how to get started in the stock market. Make sure to like, subscribe, and share, and comment down below if there's anything else you guys would like to see or if you have any questions.